let me teach you how to organize emails with labels. If your Gmail inbox feels cluttered, labels can be a best way to organize all of your emails that you receive. So what you need to do first of all is make sure you log in or head over to Gmail. And in order to create labels, first of all, you head over to the left section. You can see a section called Create New Labels. If that section is not visible to you, you can just click on the More option and then you'll be able to see it. Just click on Create New Label and you can name this label whatever you want. Name this label and then click on Create. Once your label now has been created, you can now add in different emails to this particular label. So what you can do is select a few emails that go inside of this particular label and then click on the three dotted line, which is the More option, and head over to Label As. This way you'll be able to select the label that you just created and then click on Apply. This way all of the emails receiving from this particular email will be directly added inside of the personal section. This way you do not need to scan through all of your inbox. You can just head over to your individual emails and then just browse through what are the emails that you're trying to look for. You can also edit the colors so that it is easier for you to remember. If you click on the three dotted line, you can see a section called Label Color. Pick from all of these colors that are available or also add in a custom color. So this way you can just organize all of your emails inside of different labels so that you can just browse through of which emails that you're trying to look for and you do not need to go through all of your emails one by one. So that was a short tutorial on the way that you can organize your Gmail using labels. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.